Hello everyone, you are welcome to Love in Focus. I'm your host, Yinka Adejuma. Today, I'm going to be giving us some tips on what to do to make our marriage work. Marriage is from God. God is the institutor of marriage. He's the one that says it's not good for a man to be alone. I will create an helpmate unto him. Marriage is also a blessing from God, and every blessing from God has principles to follow so that we can maximize the blessing. And inside the manual, we have some principles that we must follow to enjoy our love life. Number one principles that God gave us to enjoy our love life is love and respect. Love and respect. Ephesians chapter 5, verse 25 and 33 talks about it. In verse 25, it talks that husbands should love their wives like themselves. You understand? And also in verse 33, it says that wives should reference their husband. You must have absolute respect for your husband. Mutual love and respect between husband and wife will make you to enjoy your marriage. The rhythm of love, there is nobody that doesn't know how to dance to it. Love is fundamental in any relationship, marriage inclusive. So husband and wife, they must constantly express love and respect for one another. The woman needs love to function very well in that home, and also the man needs respect to function very well at home. Mutual love and respect is the foundation for a healthy relationship. The character of love is shown in the book of 1 Corinthians chapter 13, verse 4 to 8. It says, love is patient, love is kind, love is not jealous, it's not proud, love doesn't dishonor others. Love is not selfish, it's not easily getting angry, it's not easily angered. You understand? Love keeps no record of evil. Love is not happy with evil. Love protects. Love trusts, always hopes, does not give up. A successful relationship must be built on love. Love promotes humility and service. Love is committed to the vows of the relationship of the marriage. Somebody that you love, you won't beat the person. You won't be talking to the person anyhow. Somebody that you love, you won't be comparing the person to somebody else outside at the detriment of your home. Somebody that you love, you won't be abusing the person. It can be emotional abuse, it can be physical abuse, it can be financial abuse, it can be all manner of abuse. You understand? It's not good. So expressing love and respect in your marriage and relationship, you have to be intentional about it. You have to be intentional about making your marriage and relationship work. Even if you are from a dysfunctional home, you can make up your mind that, okay, my own is going to be different. Why? Your marriage is the foundation of your generation. So what kind of generation do you want to leave behind? What kind of generation do you want to build? Expressing love and respect involves intentional actions, thoughtful words, and gestures that shows that you cherish and value your partner. You know, love communicates affections. You spend quality time together, you show physical affection, you practice acts of kindness, you support the dreams of your partner, you practice forgiveness, you keep romance alive. You understand you are present in the life of your partner. You allow your partner to soar, you respect the boundaries and the space of your partner. You value the opinions of your partner. You show appreciation always. You understand? You acknowledge the strengths of your partner. You recognize and compliment their unique qualities, their talents. You understand? And their gifts. Your partner is unique. So comparing your partner with some people outside there, no, it's not always greener at the other side the way we think. You understand? Once you started living with some people, you will not see some traits because you can be seen, one, two of you, I'm moving, can be seen, say, hey, this one is like, this one is perfect more than mine partner. Hey, please focus on the one that God gave you and try to water your own garden. You understand? So your partner is unique. So you value your partner, you cherish your partner. You are trustworthy and reliable. You defend their dignity in public and in private. These are the things that you must keep on doing to express love and respect in your marriage and in your relationship. You know, anything that you respect, anything that you love, you pamper that thing. That is it. Husband and wife, you must keep on showing respect and love in your marriage is the foundation for a healthy relationship. Love and respect are deeply interconnected in a healthy relationship. Number two things that we need to do that will make your marriage to work is Practice forgiveness, please. Two of you will be very close and you will step on each other's toes. You understand? You will step on each other's toes. So please practice forgiveness. You can even practice advanced forgiveness. And you too, you must keep on working on yourself. But you must know the things that you will forgive and the things that you will run away from. I'm not an advocate for divorce, but at the same time, covenant of life supersedes covenant of marriage. You understand? If the abuse is too much, you can give each other space. You understand what I'm saying? Not that somebody will be beating you every now and then, carrying you to the hospital for treatment. You understand? And be begging you, sorry, I'm sorry, that is my weakness. Go, let the person go and work on his or her weakness. You understand? Let the person go and work on his or her weakness. That is what I'm saying. Say, oh, okay, Bible says we should forgive one another. The person beat you today. You understand? Give you enough wound. You use makeup to patch it, or even the man. This time, because abuse is both from the opposite side. There's some wives that they are abusing their wives, their husband. Yes, they used to beat their husband very well. Yes, and there's some husband that, so all those kind of things. When you people love one another, you won't be beating each other. That is it. You won't be fighting inside your marriage. But above all, practice forgiveness in your marriage. As Colossians chapter 3, verse 13 says, we should forgive one another. You understand? And every marriage, there will be conflict and misunderstanding. So we should learn how to forgive one another. And another thing that you must keep on doing that will make your marriage to work is you have to be communicating. You understand? Communication and honesty. Practice communication, consistent communication. Communication is the art of every relationship. You understand? Somebody that's loved would like to talk to the person every day, every day. When husband and wife are not talking to each other for days, the love will be going down before you know it. Especially when they are not living in the same place. They're not living in the same environment. You understand? So you won't say, okay, so please practice communicate. Let there be open and honest communication between the two of you every now and then. Either you are in the same place or not. Every day you must communicate as husband and wife. Let your yes be yes and let your no be no. According to Ephesians chapter 4, verse 25 says, wherefore, putting away lies, speak every man truth with his neighbor. Who is your neighbor? Your partner. You understand? For we are members of one another. For we are members of one another. And also in Proverbs chapter 18, verse 21 says, death and life are in the power of tongue, and they that love it shall eat the fruit thereof. So be mindful of the word that is coming out of your mouth to your partner and to your relationship. The word of your mouth can kill your marriage, it can kill your partner, both physically and emotionally. It can kill your marriage. So please, let's be careful the way we talk to each other in our marriage. You understand? Be an honest person. Be a man and a woman of integrity. Let your yes be yes and let your no be no. And another thing that we do to make our marriage work is practice faithfulness. Be faithful to your spouse. Please. 13 verse 4 says, marriage is honorable above all bet on defy. Be faithful to one another. Infidelity is not good. Infidelity will not give you anything than headache and shame. You understand? Please, so be faithful to your partner in everything. This is why husband and wife don't deny each other your body. Don't punish your partner with sex. It's happening in so many Christian homes, in so many marriages. You will hear for 5 years, my husband has not touched me. For 3 years, my wife did not allow me to touch her. Understand? It's not good. It's demonic. Marriage is for sex. God is the one that created sex. God is the one that put the libido there. Sex must be enjoyed with the confine of marriage. Sex is the dividend of marriage. So please, don't push your partner out. You understand? Be faithful to one another in your marriage. Unfaithfulness will bring shame and reproach to you and to the members of your family. And another thing is that we do that our manual gave us that we must do that will make our marriage to work is always pray together. Yes, the families that prays together stays together. Always prays together. There's so many families nowadays, they don't even have time to pray in their home. But you must know that life itself is spiritual and marriage is primarily spiritual before it's secondary physical. So you must keep on praying in your marriage. Two of you must learn how to pray together. If you don't know how to pray together, hey, you can be divinely assisted or demonically oppressed. So you need prayer. Why? Devil hates marriage, and devil wants you to be miserable in your love life. You are the one now that are going to partner with God, with your maker, the one that instituted marriage, and that is for your good. That, okay, I'm going to do everything. I'm going to partner with my maker and be praying always. What is prayer? Prayer is talking to your maker every day for direction, for wisdom, for grace that you need to make your marriage and your life better. So please, husband and wife, let's learn how to pray together. Couples should make prayer the cornerstone of their relationship. Philippians chapter 4, verse 6. Be careful for nothing, but in everything by prayer and supplication with thanksgiving. Let your request be made known unto God. Things that you cannot handle in your marriage and in your relationship, that is only God that can do it. So husband and wife, you must learn how to pray. It is not. I always advise people, build yourself up spiritually first before you enter into marriage, because marriage at times is deeper than what we think, and you need the strength of the inside to carry the weight of the load outside. So couples must learn how to pray together. You understand? And maybe you marry somebody that doesn't really believe in your faith and doesn't really believe in prayer. You can stand in gap until when your partner is ready. Understand? So please, when you stand in gap for your partner, God will still answer your prayer. And men, you must know that God says, according to 1 Peter chapter 3, verse 7, that if you maltreat your wife, He will not answer your prayer. You understand? So you know that your prayer is very, very important to God as the husband. So you must rise up as the priest of that home and learn how to pray more. Praying together will bring unity. It will bring God's presence into the relationship, and it will help the couple to know how to navigate. You understand? It will help the couple to receive grace to face the challenges, and at the end of the day, you understand, they will come out victorious. God will help you in the mighty name of Jesus. And another thing that you need to do to make the marriage work is you must fulfill your own roles. The husband has his own role as the provider and the priest of the family, and also the wife also has her own roles as the homemaker. So two of you go and look for your own roles in the Bible and try to fulfill it. Be a responsible partner. To be valuable in that relationship. Your worth in that relationship is what will determine the way your partner will be treating you. So be a value-adding partner in that relationship. According to Proverbs chapter 31, verse 10 and 11. And another thing that we do that will make your marriage to work is you must walk in unity and oneness. Yes, husband and wife must walk in unity and oneness. Physically, emotionally, spiritually. Try to work together in unity. And you know, when you work together in unity, you'll be able to confront any issue that comes your way. Because in the book of Matthew, it told us that when the two of you shall pray concerning the things, that He will answer you, that nobody will be able to stand between husband and wife if they agree together on the altar of prayer. So what are you waiting for? You demise all the blessing. Just rise up and do whatever you need to do that will make you to enjoy your marriage, to enjoy your love life. The Bible says two are better than one. That is where the power of unity comes in. And also, unity always brings blessing. Psalm 133 verse 1 to 3 let us know that God blesses every home that works together in unity. So husband and wife, try to maintain unity and oneness in your relationship to one another. And lastly, yeah, it's supposed to be number one, but I'm going to put it last, that you must do to make your marriage work is you must marry right. You must marry right. According to 2 Corinthians chapter 6, verse 14 says, do not equally yoke together with unbeliever. And Amos 3:3 says, can two work together except they be in agreement? Psalm 11 verse 3 says, if the foundation is destroyed, what can the righteous do? Nothing. And 1 Corinthians 15:33 says, evil communication, corrupt good manner. All these things talks about relationship and association. So it is not everybody outside there, they are their husband material and their wife's material. There's some people that know marriage is not for them. You understand? There's some ladies, there's some guys that marriage is not for them. So, and if you mistakenly marry this kind of people, no matter what you do, they will frustrate you. You understand? Because they don't see things from the way you see things. Because that is not their goal, that is not their way. So that is why when you want to choose who to marry, you carry your father along. You ask God in prayer. You wait for God. You understand, to direct you to the right person. You understand, the right prospect that will help you, because the cake is as good as the ingredient. So is marriage. You understand? The omelette is as good as the egg in it. What am I saying? The relationship and marriage is as good as the people that are in it. You understand? If there's some people that nothing concerns them with good marriage, it is not, no matter what you do, nothing concerns them, and they won't cooperate with you. That's what I'm saying. The difference between so many marriages is the people that are in it. So you must choose to marry right. Marriage is spiritual. So you ask your God. Life itself is primarily spiritual before it is secondarily physical. You understand? So please, so that can be demonically oppressed or divinely assisted. So that you won't marry devil's agents that is out to destroy your life and your destiny in the mighty name of Jesus. You marry for right reason, because relationship is only as good as what the individual involved brings to it. Marry somebody that has the same value with you. You understand, that respects God, share the same foundation, you share the same vision. That is what I'm saying. It's not about material things. Marry your destiny helper, not destiny destroyer. God will help you in the mighty name of Jesus. But I know one thing, that God that created you loves you and will not leave you. Your marriage might not be working because your marriage did not work. That doesn't mean that you are a failure. You are not a failure on the planet Earth. You understand? And I know that God will not leave you. And God will intervene for you in the mighty name of Jesus. He will give you joy over your love life in the mighty name of Jesus. Please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Leave a comment under the video. And as you do so, God will bless you in the mighty name of Jesus. Why men are saying it's a casting down, as for you and your household, it shall be a lifting up in the mighty name of Jesus. I delete your name and that's your family members from any relationship that will not work, from every toxic relationship in the mighty name of Jesus, from any marriage that will destroy your life and the life of your loved ones in the mighty name of Jesus. I love you. Shalom.